Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given question a power 2 minus b power 2 equals to 64 and ab is equal to 8. You're supposed to find a plus b equals to what? Solution. And of course, first thing is to copy what we have. We have a squared minus b squared equals to 64. And here AB is equal to 8. You're supposed to find this one. And the fifth condition, if you are seen next to this equation, is this is equal to A, is does not equal to 0, and of course B does not equal to 0. In order to be this equation to be successful. Right, then what are you going to do first? You know, this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. A squared minus b squared is equal to 64. Then let us square both sides to get what here? That is a squared, then squared, then here plus b squared, and here squared, minus 2 a squared times b squared is equal to 64 squared. This will provide a power 4 plus b power 4 minus 2, then ab squared, which is equal to 64 squared. A power 4 plus b power 4 minus 2. ab, we have seen that is equal to 8 squared, which is equal to 64 squared. And of course, a power 4 plus b power 4 will be equal to 64 squared minus 2 times 64. And here a power 4 plus b power 4 will be 64 times 64 minus 2 times 64. And last one, a power 4 plus b power 4 will be, if we factorize 64, we shall get 64. Then at this stage have plus, because it has been changed position, plus 2. Then here a power 4 plus b power 4 will be 64 times 66. We have to call this one, and this can be equation 3. Which formula can we give us a power 4 plus b power 4? If you take a, right, a squared, then plus b squared and square, this is where we can find this one, because we get a squared plus b squared, but here we have to square again, then plus 2 a squared plus a times b squared. Sorry, if you are seeing writing nice way, we have a squared, then squared again, plus b squared, then squared again, plus 2 times a squared b squared, right? And this is equal to a power 4 plus b power 4 plus 2 ab squared. And of course this is a squared plus b squared, then squared. At this stage we know that we have this one, so a squared plus b squared, then squared again will be this one. We're going to change it, replace it by 64 times 66 plus 2 times this one is equal to 8 squared, and this will be 64 times 66 plus 2 times 64. And even at this stage we can factorize 64 to get 66 plus 2, which is equal to 64 times 68. Therefore a squared plus b squared, then squared will be 64 times 68 at this stage. If you apply here square root on both sides. What can we get? Should get square root of a squared plus b squared, then squared again will be square root of here is equal to 64 times 68, right? Now here we shall say square root of a squared plus b squared, then squared will be square root of 64 times 68. Then we have a squared plus b squared only. This is square root of 64 times square root of 68. And this is a squared plus b squared, which is equal to 8 times. And of course that is square root of 4 times 17, which is equal to a squared plus b squared, which is equal to, of course, because we have positive or negative, we shall say positive or negative 8 times 2 square root of 17, which is equal to a squared plus b squared, which is equal to positive or negative 16 square root of 7. And here we have a squared plus b squared, which is equal to 16 square root of 17, or a squared plus b squared, which is equal to negative 16 square root of 17. And this will be rejected, and shall continue with this one. Which formula can you give us? Can you give us a squared plus b squared? Is this one, when you have a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And of course we have this one. We have a squared, which equals to 16 square root of 17 plus 2 times 8. This will be 16 square root of 17 plus 16, right? And this is a plus b squared, and of course a plus b squared is equal to 16 factor out 1 plus square root of 17. Right at this stage, by applying square root, a plus b squared, right, this is equal to square root of 16 times 1 plus square root of 17, and of course this and this to get a plus b is equal to square root of 16, then at this stage times square root of 1 plus square root of 17, and ab will be positive or negative 4, right, square root of 1 plus square root of 17. This is the value of a plus b. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.